Hello! Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about pipe T-joint on MS pipe of 50 mm outer dia and 3 mm wall thickness in downhand position by Oxy-Acetylene Welding process.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to draw the development for 90-degree T-branch. Cut and prepare the pipes as per dimensions and tack weld. Weld the pipe and recheck the angle. Visual inspection and defects. Let's see the tools required for the welding process. Steel rule. Center punch. Ball peen hammer. Angle grinder. Half round file. Bench vise. Tri-square. Chipping hammer. Steel wire brush. Safety clothing. Gloves. PPE kit. Nozzle number 7. CCMS filler rod 3 mm. OAW setup. Cylinder key. Tip cleaner. Spark lighter. Gas welding goggles. Let's see pre-welding process of a pipe T-joint. Develop the pattern for a 90-degree T-pipe of equal diameter by parallel line method. Ensure the correct size of pipes are used. Draw the plan and elevation. Divide the semicircle into 6 parts. Draw the development drawing with the dimension of circumference of the circle and make 12 segments. Draw the profile with the intersection points on horizontal and vertical projection lines. Cut and paste it on the pipes. Punch mark on the profile. Cut the branch pipe and main pipe along the punch marked profile. Set and align the branch pipe with the main pipe at an angle of 90 degrees. Nozzle 7. CCMS rod 3 mm. Neutral flame 0.15 kg per centimeter square. Tack weld the joint at 4 places with 90-degree intervals and with a 2 mm root gap to ensure root penetration. Now let's see the welding process of pipe T-joint on MS pipe 50 mm in downhand position by Oxy-Acetylene Welding process, OAW. Keep the tack welded T-joint on the welding table. Ensure the tacked pipe T-joint is positioned properly to make it convenient to manipulate the blowpipe and filler rod without any obstruction. Weld the joint by manipulating the blowpipe and filler rod without rotation of the pipe. Maintain keyhole throughout the welding and give side-to-side motion to the blowpipe to ensure good root penetration and fusion of both the edges of the joint. Take care to properly fuse the crater of the previous sector welded with the starting of the new sector. Complete the weld in 4 sectors 1, 2, 3 and 4 along the curved joint using leftward technique. Check the weld for any surface defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of MS pipe 50 mm outer dia and 3 mm wall thickness in downhand position by OAW process. Inspect for uniform weld size and shape of the hole profile of the joint. Face of the weld is slightly convex. The edges of weld beads are in good fusion, no overlap and no undercut. Inspect penetration and fusion of the surface of pipes. Let's see the defects now. Blowhole, undercut, uneven ripples, excess reinforcement.
Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to draw the development for 90-degree T-branch, cut and prepare the pipes as per dimensions and tack weld, weld the pipe and recheck the angle, visual inspection and defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.